Okay, so we are on page 304, and we're reviewing decimals. So can somebody read the key concept?
Can I?
Sure.
Underline the digit in the place to which you want to round. Can I read all of them?
If you want to, yeah.
Yeah. Look at the digit to its right. If the digit is 4 or less, keep it the underlined digit. If the digit is 5 or greater, round the underlined digit up to the next greater digit. And drop the digit to the right of the underlined digit.
Thank you. So this is basically telling us what we're going to do. It's how we round, okay? So in example number 2, it says that they want us to round 46.73 to the nearest tenth, okay? So it says underline the digit in the tenths place. Which is the digit in the tenths place? I have my 7 in the tenths place, okay? So I'm going to put 7 here. Okay. Step 2 says, look at the digit to the right of 7. That's its neighbor right here. Remember the rule, it says if it is less than 4, we're going to leave it the same. We're going to let it rest. If it's greater than 5, we're going to add 1 more. So 3. Is 3 greater than 5?
Sharing.
What is that, Melanie?
You're not sharing.
I am so sorry. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we need to look at the number to the right. That's the number 3. You see it? So 3, is 3 greater or less than 5?
3 is less than 5.
Less than 5. So what rule do we follow? Are we going to let it rest, our 7, or are we going to add 1 more?
Let it rest?
Let it rest. Look, if it's less than 4, keep the underlined digit. So step 3 says keep the underlined digit and drop the number to the right. So we're going to, when we round, we're going to do 46.7 because we are dropping this number. So this number rounds to 46.7.
Underline the digit in the ones place.
Okay, Jennifer, so you read round 8.74 to the nearest 1. Underline the digit in the ones place. So which is my digit in the ones place?
4?
8, right? 8 is my digit in the ones place. Remember, my 7 is in the tenths, and my 4 is in the hundredths, okay? So it says, we need to look at the number. We need to look at the number to the right. What number is in the right?
7?
7. The digit to the right of 8, okay? So when we round this, my 7 is going to tell my 8 what to do. Remember the rules that Melanie read earlier. If it is greater than 5, we need to what?
You need to
add
another one?
Yeah, we need to add another number. Add 1 more. Is 7 greater than 5?
Yeah.
Yes. So when we round, we're going to add 1 more to the 8. Okay? So this number rounds to 9. Yes, what is your question?